On behalf of the missionary group Home of the Mother, we would like to thank you for helping us to continue with the San Pedro Claver soup kitchen, where 115 children have received a hot meal every day. Thank you very much, and God bless you. As you know, the food is prepared in the Father Henry soup kitchen. From there, it is taken in Tupperware to San Pedro Claver soup kitchen in Socio, vivienda. There are volunteers to help attend the children, and before eating, they visit the Blessed Sacrament, ending with a prayer. There are 2 shifts, and some children go to school before the meals and others after.
Gracias, amigos, por ayudar al comedor San Pedro Claver.
A nombre de las voluntarias del comedor Socio Vivienda, le queremos dar las gracias, nuestra eterna gratitud a quienes apoyan este proyecto de dar de comer a los niños de escasos recursos del sector. Muchas gracias, que Dios les multiplique su generosidad.